I have so many thorns around my property. I have so many cactus, blackberry bushes, roses, mesquite trees, and all those little spurs that get stuck in everything. We call them goat heads. But we have so many thorns in our yard. It's kind of dangerous out there when I'm trying to pull weeds. I just get scratched and poked all the time. The company Workpro sent me these leather gardening gloves, and they have made such a huge difference. I'm working around some of the prickliest areas of our property, and these gloves give me so much coverage. They extend well past my wrist, pretty much to my elbows, and they protect my whole forearms, which is something I didn't realize I needed until I started using them. Normally, when I'm pulling weeds around the cactus plants, I'm constantly trying to avoid brushing up against the needles or getting snagged by thorns. With these Workpro gloves, I can work so much faster and save so much time because I'm not worried about every little poke and scratch. In this area, I was pulling weeds right next to a cactus, and I could actually touch the long spikes with the gloves on without feeling those needles coming through. That extra protection makes a big difference, especially when I'm reaching into tight spaces where I can't always see exactly where my hands are hitting. Even though they're made from heavy duty leather, they don't feel stiff or bulky. I can still grab weeds, move plants around, handle tools comfortably without feeling like I'm wearing oversized gloves. The leather and stitching feels really durable and looks like it's going to hold up for a long time. These fit really securely without being too tight, so they're very comfortable to wear for long gardening and weed pulling sessions. These gloves have made pruning roses and fruit trees and pulling weeds around the cactus plants so much easier and a lot more comfortable.